Hello there, Ni Amuda here again, and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you are new, do me a favor, kindly like this video, drop a comment, and then I want you to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Yes, subscribe. That's the way you encourage me to put up some videos like this. So I found this application that does um, give you electronics invoice. So let me read about the application. So the application helps you to create and send professional PDF invoices in seconds with invoice templates. So the templates are already designed, professional designs. All you have to do is to add your details, add your logo and your whatsoever, and then it just send directly to your customer. It's a very nice app. It has over 100 designs for you to choose, and you just create your invoice. So I'm going to show you how it works. Let me open it. So click on open. The name of the app is Invoice Home. So you can choose your theme. So you know your brand color, so you can choose your theme from here. Me usually I like the black. Okay, I like the black, and you can choose these are themes, these are designs. The reason why we are not seeing it too well is because it's landscape. Anyway, it's very nice, so I'm just going to choose that one, and I'll pick one design, and we are good to go. I want the one that has a logo, so something very simple that has a logo, and I can sign. Should I take this one? No. You can see these are templates. These are templates. So you can change your color. So if you change the colors, you can see. So that red is there. If you can change to yellow, you can see the theme. So you can see different colors. You can change. So you just decide the color that you want to use, and you are good to go. Okay, so for the purpose of learning, let me just use black. Then I'll quickly choose one template and create one invoice, and then I'll show you how it is. Oh, this thing is taking time. So let me just pick one invoice. I'm going to pick one invoice that has a logo. Okay, so I'm selecting this one. Right now, you see that switch document here, this part here. You can decide the type of document that you want to create. Is it a tax invoice? Is it a proforma invoice? Is it a receipt? Is it a quote? Is it an estimate, credit memo, and whatsoever? So you decide. For me, it's a receipt I want to create. So I click on receipt, okay, and then you choose the template. I've already choose my template. Select your logo. You can create logo. There are different logos here. You can get it from flip art. You can get it for people, job, and all that. But I want to select my own logo. So I just click on add your logo. Then allow the application to read your device and click on your logo. So it will add your logo to the template. All right, it has added it. So now add your signature. Click on signature, add signature, and then if you have your signature already, you can just click on gallery, and then you get your signature. Well, I want to draw it live, so I'll just click on draw, and then I'll draw my signature like this. Very nice. So this is my signature. I just press OK, and then it is added now. It has been added to the document. Now come over here, and then I say from. Now this is where you're going to put your business address, your business name. So for me, it's ENAG 15 Innovation ND, and then I'll put in some other details. Let's say 56 Area Street, Okumagwa at Ori, Delta State, Nigeria. Okay. Alright, so that's just that, and okay, you can add other information there actually. Then bill to this is where your customer is going to come. So you write your customer's name here. Okay, let's say Ni Amuda. Okay, and then you can add your customer's email address. Okay, you add the customer's email address. Alright, and then you're good to go. You can also add the customer's phone number if you like. Then this is where you add the items. Okay, if you are doing your items that the customer is buying from you. Okay, let's say it's a flyer design. I'm just assuming that flyer design. Okay, then you put the cost. you put the cost there, 5,000 naira. All right, so that's that. Then if you want to add more items, click on that, and then you say okay, logo design, okay, 25,000 naira. All right, so okay, so I think that's all. I just want to show you how it works. So then you come over here and then you add the receipt number, so you can leave that. Then the receipt date is already there. The currency is in naira already. The way it is being formatted, currency format is there already. The terms and conditions, so you can add your terms and conditions. You can see the receipts already being created. My logo is there already. Look at my name and look at you can see it already. My signature is there. You can see. So you can add over here terms and conditions. You can add a little note, a few of your terms and conditions, a few of your policy. So let me just leave that there. Okay, let's say payment is due within, okay, after payment. Okay, let me just write something. So you just write something after payment. Okay, the job would be delivered in 14 days. Okay, so just to fill that space, so you can put your policy there and your terms and the condition of your business there. As soon as you are done, now that you have saved it, your invoice or your receipt or whatsoever document you choose to create, then the next thing is that you are going to come to this place right here where you sign up. So you can sign up with your Google Mail. So I'm going to use another account to sign up. Okay, so once you sign up, then your receipt or your document can now save. So right now this one has been saved. So if you want to send it, you can just come over here. This is it. Okay, you can send it as email. So click on this. You can send it as email. Put the person's email address here. Alright, and then if you want one copy to be sent to you, enable this, or send me a copy, enable it, so that one copy will be sent to you so that you see exactly it. Then this is the text, their customer, blah 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 blah. You can put in your own customized text there, and then this is the attached email. Okay, the one you created. If you click, you see, you can see it there. Alright, so that is it. But if you want to send it as you can share it via WhatsApp, so you can just click on this one here and the document will be prepared. So that's what I want to use. I want to share it to WhatsApp. I will share it to one of my groups. So you wait for it. So it's that easy. It's not really very difficult. So I'll share it here. Alright, so it's going to share with your name. So it's going to share with the name of the customer. So this is it. Click on it and you can open it. Alright, this is it. These are received. You can see the business name is here, the customer's name is here, and then this is your logo. Alright, and this is the date, and these are the information. This is the amount, this is your signature, this is terms and conditions. So this because of the template I choose. So you can send this to your customers and it makes your business more intending and gives you that kind of package, you understand. So you can choose from any template from that app and you are good to go. So if you enjoy this tutorial, I want you to subscribe, I want you to like the video, I want you to share it. Thank you so much, and I will see you in the next tutorial. If you have any question, you can drop it in the comment section and I'll attend to it. Alright, thank you. Okay, I forgot this part. Okay, see, when you come over to this part here, okay, it's all documents. Click on the documents, the one you just created. Okay, you're going to see payment. All right, So the status of the payment is unpaid, so click on it and mark it that set as paid. Yes, set as paid, and say okay, meaning that the customer has paid you. So it's going to reflect in your document. So let me send it again. Okay, I'm going to send it again now, and you see what I'm talking about. So let's wait for it, so that you can actually let the customer know that they have already paid for their services. So this is it. So let's check it. Let's see. Alright, you can see that the paid is there already. I seen it. So it's there, paid. So it shows that the customer has paid. Yeah. So that's what I wanted to show you. So don't forget to subscribe to this channel, like it, and share this video with your friends, and leave me a comment, and I really appreciate.